In 5 simple steps, uncover the trading potential of this indicator. But first things first, check out the link in the description below. What specific settings must you set for the indicators? Open the signals and overlays and set the signals to confirmation signals. Keep all the settings at default. Now open the oscillator settings and set the main length to 8 and the average length to 10. Then scroll down to disable the money flow and trend meter. How do the indicators function? Confirmation signals are useful for verifying trends, especially when combined with other overlays. There are 2 types. Strong signals align with the trend, while normal signals may indicate a retracement. An important tool for spotting trends is the trend momentum, which is shown as a ribbon. Higher values, which are managed by the main length setting, produce a smoother outcome that represents longer-term patterns. Large triangles denote reversals, which are accompanied with a comprehensive trend reversal detection system that assists you in determining when a trend is shifting. And let's not forget about the pressure points, those tiny dots that indicate pressure in the market, signaling potential trends are slowing down or changing. Steps for entering a long trade. Look for green pressure points, followed by a reversal signal as the trend momentum turns bullish. When you see a buy signal or strong buy signal, you should enter the trade. You can set your stop loss at the most recent low and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5. For a short trade, wait for a red pressure point, followed by a reversal signal with the trend momentum turning bearish. Once you see that sell or strong sell signal, it's your cue to enter the trade. Set your stop loss to the recent high and aim for that 1.5 risk to reward ratio. How not to enter? We don't want to solely rely on pressure points to enter trades because trends can still go against them, resulting in losses. Instead, wait for a confirmation signal to confirm the trend direction before making your move. Check out the tools in the description below. More strategies coming in the next series. Be sure to like and subscribe.